Hey guys, are you looking for any kinds of screen recorder? Even though if you have iPhones, you are doing wrong. Don't do that. Hey guys, this is Krishna. Welcome back to KDB Super Technical. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to record your iPhone screen without any third-party application. Guys, in this video, I'm going to give you tips and tricks how to record your iPhone screen. So guys, what are the settings? What are the procedure? And uh, how to enable the screen recorder, how to enable touch shows, everything is and everything I will teach you step by step. So watch the full entire video without any further delay. Let's start to the video. First, go to the settings and scroll down. Then you can find control center. Here you go. This is control center. Click on it and there are two options are available: access within apps, show home controls. Enable both options, then scroll down. Here is a included control and a more control. There are also two options. Click on more control, then click on the screen recorder plus sign, then go to the come back to the home screen and swipe down the main menu. Here you can find screen recorder is enabled, so tap on it. If you tap once, it is started. You can see it's fully red. On the top left corner, here you can see there is a timer. It means the recording is started. So if you want to stop recording, then click on it. If you click on it, here in the central you can see stop. Here you can see stop. Click on stop. Then you can see this is saved in your photo gallery. Then how to enable touch? To enable touch, then go to the setting. Same it stays, go to the settings, type touch or you can search it and click on or enable assistive touch. Then when you assistive touch is enabled, then you are enabled to show the touch. Then you can see here, if you press on this assistive touch, you can see it is enabled. You can see here.